May nagmamahal sa'yo. Ako si Risa Singson Kauping. Magkape't pandasal muna tayo. I watched a panel discussion where a Buddhist was asking about the difference between Buddhist meditation and Christian prayer. Kung tutuusin mo, centering, mindfulness, and other meditation techniques are common between Buddhism and Catholic prayer. Ang pagmameditate gamit ang isang mantra ay maaari mo ring maihalin tulad sa pagninilay-nilay natin sa isang Bible passage. Pero nagulat ako sa sagot ng isang Kristiyanong panelist. He said, in so many words, that the big difference is that in Buddhism, there is the absence of a divine being who loves you. Kasi walang Diyos or Supreme Being na pinupuri ang Buddhism. Naiyak ako nung narinig ko yun. I can't imagine living in a universe that doesn't have a God who loves me. Hindi ko maisip na walang namamahala sa pagsikat ng araw, pag-ikot ng mundo at pagtakbo ng mga buhay nating lahat. Na kusang ipinapanganak ang tao, lumalaki, humihinga at nabubuhay na walang Diyos na lumikha sa atin na may layunin at misyon para sa ating buhay. Our catechism teaches us that God created us to know Him, love Him, and serve Him in this world, and to be happy with Him forever in the next. Ibig sabihin, the purpose of our existence is to have a relationship with God, to know and love Him and be eternally happy with Him in heaven. Kaibigan, may nagmamahal sa'yo. Kahit tambak na problema mo, kahit mukhang namamayagpag na ang korupsyon at tila wala na pag-asa ang bansa natin, kahit nawasak na ang iyong huling pag-asa, mahal ka ng Diyos at hindi ka niya pababayaan. Tayo magdasal. Lord, thank you that nothing can separate me from your love. Amen.